Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a new card in Revolut. So once you're inside Revolut app, go ahead and scroll down. You'll find a section called cards. Just simple tap on get card. If you tap on that, you'll have the option to choose if you want to get a debit card. You also have something there that's a freelancer and also for kids. You can choose whichever option you want, and you can choose if you want to get a physical or virtual card or something just for single use. You basically tap, for example, I want to get a physical card. I can tap on that and you have the option there. It basically shows you if you can get a standard card, if you want to get something else like a platinum card or whichever option you want, you can basically choose that and you'll be able to just upgrade your account or just choose to upgrade to whatever. Based on the card that you choose, you're basically upgrading to different accounts, right? And you can just simply choose the one that you want. As you can see, the delivery fees are there as well, and it tells you how much it will cost to get that, and you will be able to receive your physical card. And that's it, guys. It's very easy and very simple. Just simple tap on get or upgrade, and you can get your card.